In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to MYOB online. This process is quick and easy once you know the steps, and I'll guide you through it, ensuring that you have a seamless experience. To begin, the first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Simply make sure that it's updated to the latest version to avoid any potential compatibility issues. With your web browser open, navigate to the MYOB website. If you're not sure of the URL, a quick search for MYOB login should lead you directly to the site. Once the MYOB homepage is loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a Sign In option. Hover over this with your cursor, and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on My Account from this menu. This will take you to the login page where you can access your MYOB account. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. Input the email address you use to register your MYOB account. This is the email that receives any account-related communications, so make sure it's entered correctly. Following that, type in your password. Keep in mind that passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check to ensure you're entering it correctly. If you've forgotten your password, there should be an option right on this page to help you recover or reset it. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, you'll have an additional step to complete. MYOB does this for your security, adding an extra layer of protection. You'll receive a verification code either by text message or through an authenticator app like Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Enter this code in the space provided to proceed. Taking these additional verification steps might seem like an extra chore, but they provide significant security for your account. After successfully entering your credentials and verification code, you should now be logged into your MYOB online account. This will give you access to all the features and information you need to manage your finances effectively. If you run into any difficulties during this process, MYOB's customer support is usually very responsive and can assist with any login issues you might encounter. And there you have it, a straightforward way to log into MYOB online. Now that you're logged in, you can start managing your account. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope it helped you through the login process smoothly. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out or look for additional support from MYOB. Happy managing!